All right, folks, Chivari is known as home of the steel skeleton, and the product that made us famous is our Steel Skeleton Chiavari Chair. Now you see our beautiful Chiavari chair here. Inside is this incredible steel skeleton frame.
Do you mind if I step on it?
Go ahead, Sean.
All right. All right. I'm about 185 pounds. You saw absolutely no wiggle. Strongest chair in the market by far. Never have any product liability issues. This chair is a 10 to 15 year chair.
Sean, we tested this at our studios. This will take over 2,000 pounds of downward force without a problem. More weight capacity than you'll ever need for any party. But there's more. We've expanded our lineup of steel skeleton products to our new steel skeleton bar stools.
So we now have a full line of bar stools with the steel skeleton. We have Chivari, we have crossback, we have bentwood, and now we even have willow. Inside this beautiful exterior is this really rugged Terminator-like skeleton. You're going to have the same type of strength and longevity and return on investment with this as you do with the Chivari Chair Steel Skeleton products.
Now these, we've also tested. This, we put up to 4,000 pounds of downward force. It never broke. This is incredibly strong, and frankly, the strongest bar stool you'll ever find. This is incredibly reliable for any event that you'll ever have. But we've gone further than that.
Let me add this, Nestor. We don't think you should ever own another wood bar stool again. This by far gives you the most safety and the most beauty all in one package, and it's only a few dollars more than the wood selection.
But we've expanded our line of steel skeleton products to our brand new steel skeleton plywood banquet table. As you'll notice, unlike traditional plywood banquet tables that have wood runners along the sides, this has a steel frame all along. So it's not just along the sides, but along the edges here, and even a metal bracing. This is simply the strongest plywood banquet table you'll ever find with our steel skeleton frame.
One more enhancement we made to this table is what we call the edging. The edging is, our standard is better than the typical, and it's called C-channel. This wraps around the edge of the plywood table, clamps around it, keeps it very secure, keeps it safe. And with this table, we've added E-channels. Can you see the difference? You'll never see this one. This gets embedded into the plywood levels, and then the outside wraps around it. C-channel and E-channel, this is the best, only at Chivari.
Now, of course, guys, we could have gone with a simple C-channel, made it more affordable, it cost less, but we didn't. Why? Because we're investing in the highest quality products you can find anywhere. Get yours today at Chivari.com.